Hey everyone, hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. This week we're going to be doing spectroscopy in lab. So one of the major hiccups that comes with this lab is the dilutions that you guys will be doing with these volumetric flasks that I have right here. So if you look at it, you can see that there is a line right here. That line is very precise to 50 milliliters exactly. Okay, so you're going to get 4 of these and you're going to do serial dilutions into each one. So depending on which case you're doing, you're going to get 10 or 20 milliliter stock of the stock solution. So here I have 10 milliliters of it. And what you're going to do is, if you look right here, I have the stock solution and I put the 10 milliliters in there. And so I'm just going to use a wash bottle and I'm going to fill it up until I get to that exact 50 milliliter mark. Okay, it's very important that you don't go over that line, because once you've gone over it, you no longer have the exact concentration of the solution that you're using, and you don't have the exact volume. Okay, so you're just going to fill it up and keep track of the line right here. Fill it up. Fill it up. You're going to get there fairly quickly. Fill it up. Fill it up a little bit. Alright. So as you can see, I filled it right to that mark. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to put a glove on. In this case, it's nothing. It's just water and a little bit of dye. And so you're just going to put a glove on and you're going to cover it with your finger and you're just going to mix it up and make sure that it's thoroughly mixed so the solution is very homogeneous. Okay? If you look, you can now see that I have a nice pink solution. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a 25 milliliter beaker, or sorry, 25 milliliter graduated cylinder, and you're going to take from the solution and you're going to fill it up to 25 milliliters. Okay? Okay, so went a little bit above. Actually, it's pretty much right on based on the meniscus. So now there's 25 milliliters in here and 25 milliliters in here. So then you're going to take your next volumetric, you're going to put this one aside, you're going to take your next volumetric flask, and you're going to add that solution to it. Okay? You're going to add it to it. Okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing with the wash glass, or with the wash bottle. And you're going to add until you reach that 50 milliliter mark. Okay. And it's getting closer. Okay. So you're getting real close. Alright. So it looks like I'm right on it. Okay. Perfect. So then you're going to take, once again, another gloved hand. You're going to put your finger over it, and you're just going to mix it up. Okay? Then, just like we did before, we're going to take our graduated cylinder. Once we've washed it out and dried it out, I'm not going to do that just because I'm not worried about the concentration, but you guys will be. And you're going to add 25 milliliters to it again. Okay, I'm a little bit under. Went over a little bit. Okay, looks like I'm about right there. So then you're going to take your next volumetric flask and you're going to add that 25 milliliters to it. Alright, now you're going to add another 25 milliliters of the water into here, and then you're going to do one more dilution with it. Okay, and if you look at each one of mine, the color gets less and less concentrated each time. So you can see the most concentrated here, and then as it moves along, it gets less concentrated, and you can see that based on the color change, and you'll be able to observe that in your flash as well. One of the important things to note is that as as you could kind of tell in my second and third, right here, they kind of look alike, just because the color change isn't huge like it is from here to here, or from here to here. So another important thing to note is make sure you know which volumetric flask your most concentrated is, and that you mark them. My suggestion is you can take a paper towel, and you can write concentration 1, or you can write volumetric flask 1, volumetric flask 2, and then set them on those marks so that way you know exactly which one you have. Or you can take some tape that we have available in the lab, and you can write on a piece of tape and then put it onto each one of the volumetric flasks. That's how you're going to do the dilutions in this lab. They're pretty easy, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask your instructor. Hope you guys enjoy.